Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate SugarCRM with Okta for sales workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section. Select Add Application. In the search bar, type SugarCRM. Choose SugarCRM from the search results. Click on the Add button. In the application settings, fill in the required fields. Enter a name for your SugarCRM application. Set the sign-on method to SAML 2.0. Click Next to proceed. Now, configure the SAML settings. For the single sign-on URL, enter your SugarCRM instance URL followed by /index.php. For the audience URI, SP entity ID, enter the same SugarCRM instance URL. Set the default relay state as needed, or leave it blank. Under Name ID format, select Email address. In the attribute statements, add the required attributes such as first name, last name, and email. Click Next to save your settings. On the next screen, review your setup and click Finish. Next, copy the identity provider metadata link provided. Now, open your SugarCRM instance in a new tab. Log in to your SugarCRM admin account. Go to the Admin section. Select SAML Single Sign-On. Paste the identity provider metadata link into the appropriate field. Fill in the necessary details for the service provider. Enter your SugarCRM instance URL as the service provider URL. Set the entity ID to match your SugarCRM instance. Enable SAML authentication by toggling the appropriate setting to On. Save your changes. Now, log out of SugarCRM and attempt to log in using Okta. If configured correctly, Okta will initiate the login process. Enter your Okta credentials when prompted. Once authenticated, you should be redirected back to SugarCRM. You are now successfully authenticated using Okta for your sales workflows in SugarCRM. Test this workflow by logging in with different user accounts to ensure functionality. This concludes the detailed guide on authenticating SugarCRM with Okta. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.